taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make zoom fade effect on Filmora 9. So let's start the video. So open your Filmora software and import your audio and video file. I already import some audio and video file. Drag your video into timeline and delete unnecessary part.
Right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
So now select first video and click on the top, crop and zoom, and select pan and zoom. And adjust your zoom level and click OK button.
Until you break down.
Go to next video, select crop and zoom, and select pan and zoom. Adjust your zoom level and press OK. Apply same process in every video.
Until you break down.
Now go to transition and add fade transition in every cut of video.
They say, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a...
Now double click on the transition and go transition duration. Set duration around 115 and click apply to all and click OK. Mute all video and add a background music for better experience. Go to effects and add a overlay frame Cinema 219 for cinematic view. Let's check the preview.
I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began.
As you can see, our effect is ready. So let's export the video.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorials.